All right, this is our ram air setup. It's got a super nice billet compressor bracket. It's got your pressure switch in line built in already for a tank add-on. You're gonna get your one power line, your red power line, and you're gonna have to hook it right here. That's it. Just push it on. You're gonna plug your out line. These will already be hooked up for you. You're gonna push the one connector in. I take it and route it like this. Route the line over top with a compressor, and then it's gonna slide up into the slot, this opening on the frame. And then you're going to line the holes up. Start the one. You've got a ground wire that's going to come with it. You're going to stick the other, kind of bend it a little bit, bend the terminal a little bit. You're going to stick the other screw in here, and then you're going to line it up with the next hole. Just like that. And you're just going to tighten it all down. This is now attached. You're going to take your line and your power line, you're going to route it, zip tie it up against the frame rail here. Just run it up and zip tie it, and then you're going to have your other end of your power that plugs into the bike, and that's it. You're done. All you got to do is plug your supply line into the SAC unit, and it's all plumbed. All right, thanks.